Hi guys, I'm back with the Birds and Butterflies journal, and it's really looking very nice. Now I'm just messing around. I'm not quite sure what I'm doing, but I am doing, oh, by the way, I did put some what's it called, glamour paste, the gold. I put it a little bit on here, and I put a bit there, not a lot, and just a little bit there. Okay, so now, oh, and I've also got this Edith Holden page, and I'm thinking, wait, not this way, I might even put it here. I haven't decided yet, or put it there. So I'm going to leave that for the moment. But we're moving on now to here. And just ignore that. I was actually looking at work. I want to use these guys, okay? These frames. So that actually looks very nice there. And with this inside the frame. But then I want to make it more useful, like a tuck spot or something. So it's either going to go there. I think I like it here. But then I'm also thinking, you know, to back it on some cardstock, which is what I have underneath here. So I'm going to cut this because I want to use it as a tuck spot as well. It doesn't have to be too wide. So if where's my pencil? I think if I do it about there, let's have a look. How wide is that? So I'm hoping you guys have got some frames dug out. This actually works out to 4.5. Let's see if it's too big. It'll be okay. I wish I had paler even, but I don't. So, and I also found this paper while I was looking for my cardstock. It's just too beautiful. It's like got a very light embossed roses on here, and it's quite thick. So maybe we'll use it for inside the cover. What if I do this? No, I don't like that. So if we cut this, it's really rather big. I actually want it a little bit narrower. Mind you, now I'm thinking again. Thinking. If we fold it, let's say there. We can make this into a little booklet. Like so. Going to make this quite bulky. We put that here. I still want this narrower. I do. I don't want it so wide. So I'm really going to cut it down a little bit more, like a. So it's going to be just shy of 4.25. See, now we're doing stuff. Now this, I could turn into a little pocket, you see. Not that way, this way. And have that straight. Now I'm using cardstock. You can use whatever you like that's got, or project board or part of the kit, you know. I just happen to be using this, and then I'm thinking, which will make it a bit bulky, but it's okay. Long and we can put like so and whatever in here, let's say. And this guy, oh, it'll look beautiful. Will go on here, but I'm so tempted. And what if we put some pages to write in inside, like this? Or maybe we should just put it inside like that, because I was thinking of making pages to flip, you know. Alright, do that, and then we still have a tuck spot there. Or do we just do it in the center? No, let's do it here. But we need something more on here. I don't know, it just needs something. So I'm breaking out my book again. Take from this side. What if we put but I want to tear it a little bit, but not so jaggedy, if you know what I mean. Let's tear. But I also don't want it too straight, which I will do later. Beethoven. This is Beethoven. Beethoven. Sorry, I'm ripping your music up. I do like my classical music, by the way. Don't listen to it often enough. And if we do that, so we're playing with this now. Yeah, I just think it adds a little bit extra. But you know what? You know what I'm going to do, hey? Have to. Let's, just think it needs a bit of just dressing. Just want to tear it a little bit more. I don't want it to be so structured, if you know what I mean. Yeah, let's tear it here, and I'm tearing that corner, and then I think I'm just going to tear a little bit, just a tiny bit there. Let's tear it here, then it doesn't look I have to do a little bit here too. Just a little bit on the edges. Otherwise it kind of disappears, you know. So let's put this here. All the way around. And I think I'm going to do inside the frame too, before. Now you can stick some acetate down if you want, or vellum, or any plastic that you have. Yeah, I think that it makes a huge difference. And then this will go. Let's just check it. Yeah, I'm liking that. So of course I'm going to do this one as well. Because it just looks nice. And that back has been glued down, so we have to do the inside, and we're going to have to decorate the inside. Let's take all that out. Don't forget to do your fold. And of course these edges, because we're gluing everything. And I think we can already glue this down. And you can also use this to make a pocket, guys, if you want. I'm not going to. I'm just gluing it straight in, because if you were going to make a pocket, I would make a pocket on this side, so don't glue on that side if you want an extra pocket there. Beethoven's Symphony. Beautiful. Do I have pink? Just thinking. What if I... Now this is just baking paper that I've used. Let's glue this guy on here, on the back. So I'm going to cut you there, because it just fits this on here, and I am going to cut you. Here's my pencil. Right at the top of the frame. Let's cut that off. Oh, have I cut it too much? No, I haven't. It's great. So I can also round the edges. I'm going to use the little one. So you see, I use my baking paper for mixed media stuff and spraying, and then I get to use pieces like this. So are we the right way there? We are. A nice little thing of glue. Make sure it's all straight, which it is. Wunderbar. Wonderful. And I'm just wondering, just, you know, give it a bit of extra pizzazz. Yeah, why not? I always change my mind at the last minute. Yeah, and then this guy, I am going to put him exactly as he is on the top. And I'm not covering Beethoven's name. There you go. In fact, let's pull you out. You don't want it so structured. So if I put you here, yes, I'm liking it, but I still want to add one more thing. Maybe a bit of the blue, this blue one here. This was done on a different tape. So this I am going to have to, you know, playing around with tapes and seeing what works and what doesn't. So Doesn't stick very nicely like stick tape. And again, let's cut it because it's quite wide. And I reckon just a little bit. Maybe I'll use some on the front as well. Yeah. Let's put this one here. Just brings out, you know, the blue. And now we get to stick this down. So let's do, because these edges must stick down, because otherwise they will lift and then they'll get ugly. And then you can always go back once this is down, you know, before you use the journal or sell it or do whatever you want with it, and put down any pieces that sticking up, because there'll always be one that sticks up. So I tend to like to use my fingers. Best tools in the world, these things, to put, you know, spread the glue a little bit, spread the love. I hope I haven't damaged the other side, because I can feel glue on my fingers there. So let's just do that. Yes, yes. Brilliant. Yes. And very gently tap it down. How pretty is that looking? Very, very pretty. Now this is coming just a little bit off there, so can you see? I'm going to cut it. And then, oh, I really think it's looking nice. Ugh, why does this get so dirty? Look at this. In an instant, straight onto my floor for me to sweep up later. So it's, yeah, this way. Yeah, I'm loving that. I really am. And then we can lift it up. And what are we going to do inside, ladybugs? This is so pretty. Could stick this down. You know what? I could almost use this. Why not? To make a belly band here. But then it's a little bit plain there. So what if we just do a little bit of stenciling? This one will be fine. So let's just do a little bit of that. Where is my green? Let's take that off. I'm going to use this to do it on. I would like to add some green. This green, but it's a bit bright, so I'm going to have to tap it just a little bit. So grab a stencil. Yeah. Look, actually it's looking nice dark. I am actually going to stencil everywhere now. Okay. Yeah. Very, very pretty. Now what if I just continue here? Because then, very nice. I don't even know if I want to add a touch of green. I would actually like to add a touch of green. I'm going to use this guy. He's handy. Should have done that. So I'm going to try and play matchy-matchy now. It should do just a little bit, because like I say, this is a heavy green. Let's put that there, because I do have a nicer green, but you know what, it involves getting up, and I think this is fine. Why aren't you lining up? Hang on, there, more or less. Just a touch here and there. I think that looks nice. Yeah, just a bit of a pick-me-up, shall we say. And I want just a tad more here. Okay. And up here. And down here. Yeah, just like I said, a touch. And then what is the belly band gone? Oh no, man. What else do we have here? So pretty. But we definitely need something. Oh, for goodness sake. Guys, can you see the belly band? Uh-oh, don't try and take that off. And then we can do, yeah, so I just need to take a little bit off here. And I've taken this much. Let me see, I think I need to take, yeah, I'm going to take a little bit more. Okay. Well, that'll be fine there. And that way. And this is actually looking a little bit busy. So there we have it. And up. And I'm going to put this guy inside for a little bit more journaling. And I may later stage stick some perfect. And then, you know, ribbon on here. It'll look very nice. So we're always coming to an end of this now. We are going to stick you down here. Very nice. To make a tuck spot. So we're only going to glue in 2 places. And there we have it. Another page done in the birds and butterfly. Bring this back here. No, that's in the wrong place. let's just put it in the right place, shall we? Which is here. So we have that there. And I think I'm going to put this here. It's a very simple page. No, not that way. This way, guys, because I think it goes beautifully. So let me do that. I might as well. I don't know how long I've been on now. A 1/4 of an inch. I just like it. A little bit of Edith Holden in a botanical birds and butterflies. I might even add a pocket on this side. I don't know. I don't know. I'm going to leave it. Maybe I'll put him in the middle, because in the middle, oh, I've completely put this in the wrong place, haven't I? I'm confused. Okay. That was somewhere else. So let's just, I just want to see what this looks like. Yeah, we are going to have to do some form of closure there. So it's looking very pink against here. And if we put this here, and let's say this one, and that'll be fine, or something. We will think of something. Then you can open that up, and yeah, that will be there. That will be here, and let's just do this one there. That's looking quite nice. Yeah, not too bad, not too bad. Okay, I'm going to leave it at that while I decide what I'm going to do with this guy and find out where that page was last time, because I've already put it in a different place, which doesn't really matter. But we will continue this in another video. See you then. Ciao.